So now we are looking at HTML page structure. So let's see how to start up our code when using HTML. So the first thing to write is the doc type. So the doc type declaration is actually not HTML tag per se, but it helps to help the browser to know that okay, this document is an HTML document. So what we need to do now, we're going to write it this way. You can say doc type. You can just click on it. So that's how it's written. It's not compulsory. It doesn't, as in, it's not necessary every here should be in capital letter and here should be in small letter. You can write it with any case style you want. Okay, so it's not case sensitive. So even if you use small letter here, doc type, HTML, even HTML, it won't change anything. So just know that way, but you just need to write it from the beginning of all your HTML code. Okay. So after you've written the doc type, the next thing to write is the HTML. So HTML is the next thing to write. If you are using Visual Studio Code or some other good apps, then it will automatically bring up the closing tag for you. So that is what is happening. Once I type that HTML, to bring both the opening and the closing tag automatically for me. So the next part to introduce is the head. So the head tag. So the opening and the closing tag. Okay. So after you input the head should have a title. So let's give it a title. Title, enter. So you can give it a title here. Sorry. Okay. I want to make it this way so it won't be jam-packed somehow. So in between them. So let's just give this one a title. This is an example. Okay, that's the title I gave this page now. So this is an example. So after you've written the head tag, the next to follow is your body tag. So the body tags is where all your content is, all your major browsing content, even your JavaScript link file should be there. Okay, so this is where all content of web page should be. Okay, it can be very long. It's not as if it's short like this. So let's save this and see how it looks like in our browser. So I'll go back to this. Okay, this was our last lecture. Then I'll click reload and say all content of web page. That is the document. And look at the title here. This is an example. So that is it here in the title. Okay, so that is how to run it. I feel this way is kind of stressful, me going back like this and clicking this reload. So there is this stuff I installed in this my Visual Studio Code, a live server. So if I right click and click on open with live server, so that anytime I click on save, it will automatically refresh for me without me going here to click. You can see it's still the same that it showed. So that's just it about this aspect. Thank you.